Hello friends, I am Rasmiranjan Patnaik and I am welcoming you all to my YouTube channel. So today we discuss about the current affairs of 23 June 2020. So let's start. The Minister of State for Shipping and Independent Charge of Chemicals and Fertilizer, who is Mansukh Mandavia, has introduced India's largest fast virtual healthcare and hygienic expo 2020. He introduced what India's largest fast virtual healthcare and hygienic expo 2020. This expo has been organized by FICCI. What is FICCI or what is the full form of FICCI? The full form of FICCI is Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry. And the Union Minister of Chemicals and Fertilizer is D.V. Sadanand Gowda. The next one is Nirakar Pradhan becomes new chief of Primia. So what is the full form of Primia? The full form of Primia is Professional Risk Managers International Association. Professional रिस्क मैनेजर्स इंटरनेशनल एसोसिएशन मीन्स कुछ मैनेजर्स हैं जिनका एक इंटरनेशनल एसोसिएशन है जो कि रिस्क मैनेजमेंट करते हैं. Pradhan has led the teams at the State Bank of India, General Group of India and Europe. Prima founded in 2002 and its headquarters is Wellington, Delaware, US. Where is his headquarters? The headquarters is Wellington, Delaware, US. Now the biggest upset come. What it is? WWE legend The Undertaker, who is my favorite, announces retirement. His last match was against AJ Styles at WrestleMania 36, in which he won. So Undertaker is a WWE legend, and he has a tremendous career, and his real name is Mark Calloway. Yes Bank partners with Afford Plan. Yes Bank partners with Afford Plan to launch Swasth Card. Swasth Card is a healthcare card. So which two countries collaborate? Yes Bank and Afford Plan to launch Swasth Card. It is a health care card. Now, Yes Bank's headquarters, X Bank MDCO and Yes Bank tagline. These three are important points. Yes Bank headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Its MD and CEO is Prashant Kumar and its tagline is Experience Our Expertise. So what is Yes Bank tagline? Experience Our Expertise. Next, UCO Bank ties up with 4 insurers, and the 4 insurers are SBI Life Insurance Company, Oriental Insurance Company, Religare Indian Company and Star Health Insurance Company. So the 4 insurance company are SBI Life Insurance, Oriental Insurance, Religare Insurance Company and Star Health Insurance Company for selling their products. So these 5 banks or insurance companies collaborate with each other for selling their products. So headquarters of UCO Bank is in Kolkata, West Bengal, and MD and CEO of the UCO Bank is Atul Kumar. Now next, the German book trade has chosen Indian Nobel Prize winning economist and philosopher Amartya Sen for its prestigious 2020 Peace Prize. So German book trade has chosen Indian Nobel Prize winning economist Amartya Sen for its prestigious 2020 Peace Prize. Now, ISRO receives patent for its liquid cooling and health garments, which is known as LCSG, which acronym is LCSG. So what is LCSG? Liquid cooling and heating garment are the protective garments for human spaceflight. इट इज़ ए प्रोटेक्टिव गारमेंट फॉर ह्यूमन स्पेस फ्लाइट। जो ह्यूमन स्पेस में जाते हैं उनके लिए ये गारमेंट बनाया गया है, विच इज़ ए लिक्विड कूलिंग एंड हीटिंग गारमेंट्स। So now something about ISRO. ISRO's full form is India Space Research Organization, and its director is K. Sivan, and it is placed in, or its headquarters is at Bengaluru, and it established on 1916. Established in 1969. Amit Tripathi launches his new book, which is known as Legend of Suheldev, the King Who Saved India. So, Amit Tripathi launches new book Legend of Suheldev, the King Who Saved India. The book is published by Westland Publication Private Limited. Friends, publication is also very important because in some exam publication भी पूछ लेते हैं, इसलिए पब्लिकेशन को भी याद करना बहुत जरूरी है। जैसे कि एक फेमस पब्लिकेशन है पेंगुइन पब्लिकेशन, दिस पब्लिकेशन इज वेरी इंपॉर्टेंट। सो दिस बुक पब्लिश्ड बाय वेस्टलैंड पब्लिकेशन प्राइवेट लिमिटेड। नाउ नेक्स्ट सम इंपॉर्टेंट डेट्स। UN Public Service Day is in 23rd June. So something about UN is UN headquarters is in New York, USA. UN founded on 24th October 1945 and its Secretary General is Antonio Guterres. So UN Public Service Day is in 23rd June. International Widow Day is also in 23rd June. And Olympic Day is also in 23rd June. And the president of Olympic is Thomas Bach. Very important question. Thomas Bach, the president of Olympic. So UN Public Service Day, International Widow Day and Olympic Day, these 3 days is on 23rd June, celebrated on 23rd June. Now, so movie producer Steve Bing passed away. He produced films like Get Cutter and Every Breath. He produced one film that Great Cutter and Every Breath. Steve Bing. Next, Major General Lachan Singh Lel passed away. Major General Lachan Singh List passed away. And the last one is Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting Prakash Javadekar. Who is the Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting? Prakash Javadekar inaugurated the Virtual India Pavilion at Cannes Film Festival 2020, commemorating India's participation of Cannes Film Festival. So Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting is Prakash Javadekar. It is very important question. In exams Union Minister comes, so carefully remember it. Union Minister of Information and Broadcasting Prakash Javadekar inaugurated the Virtual India Pavilion at Cannes Film Festival 2020. So friends, this topic is over. Please like, share and subscribe my channel and this video. Thank you.